Hello gardeners, hello friends. Today I'm announcing a start of a membership club on my channel, Happy Gardening Club, where the members for a small monthly fee can have a closer look at my garden journey in life. I have a feeling that this opportunity will achieve two different things. First, it will give me a chance to share extras from my garden with you. And a lot of garden stuff is happening in the head of the gardener, and gardeners love to talk plants. And by the way, my husband and my kids are tired of listening to my grand garden ideas and designs and plans for next year. And second thing, it will give me an opportunity to achieve a long held dream of becoming a professional garden designer. So that journey starts with Master Gardening Program. And I applied to Master Gardening Program here in Connecticut, CT, several weeks ago. And I'm waiting to hear back from them. They're going to respond, and I'm hoping that they're going to accept me. And next year, I hopefully will be a master gardener. You should have seen the eyes of my kids. They were telling me, "Mom, you're going back to school? You're going to be a student?" How surprised they were that mom can become a student and go back to school. So how do we do that? How do you do that if you want to become a member of this club? By pressing the button, which is join button, that is a white one. So when you press it, you will be taken into a window where there would be two levels of membership for you to choose from. The first level for $1.99 would be a membership which will give you access to custom emojis and badges. And I must tell you that I created those badges together with my youngest son. So basically those badges would be assigned to you when you subscribe to this club. And the badges will change with the time you stay with your membership. And me and my son, we decided to create those badges as a rose, a baby rose growing slowly from month to month. So the first month you will have a baby plant, and then through months it will emerge and will become a beautiful rose. And by the way, it does look like Lady of Shalott, my wonderful rose from my back garden. The second level of membership for $4.99 will give you access to several exciting things. The first one would be, probably the most exciting for me, would be an extra video by the end of each month. I will do a special video for all the club members. And it can be a coffee and a donut with roses somewhere, a chat in my garden with you. It can be an extra video from the garden which you want me to film for you. It can be an extra walk talking about plants, whatever we decide to do, we will do by the end of each month. Also, the members of this special club, Happy Gardening Club, we'll have access to extra messaging board on the community tab where we can exchange messages and we can closely connect with each other. There would be extra posts, updates on development of videos, photograph sharing. Also, members of the club would be able to vote on future videos. We'll have this power of decision, suggestions and ideas. And I do value your suggestions. I find them very helpful. So I would be very happy to listen to those suggestions. So these are the two memberships which you can choose from. I want to say that if you decide not to join, no pressure at all. Nothing on my channel will change. Everything will stay the same. But if you decide to join and support me in this endeavor, I would be very grateful and very thankful for your support. So what do you think? My gardening dream might be realized after all with your support? I thank you in advance. Happy gardening. I will see you around, and I cannot wait to meet you in the garden club.